Hey there, Oklahoma City. Are you facing the daunting task of removing a hot tub from your property? Look no further than Junk Platoon, your trusted hot tub removal service in Oklahoma City. Removing a hot tub can be a hassle, but with our professional service, it's a breeze. Whether you're upgrading your backyard or need to make space for a new project, we're here to help you reclaim your space. Our full-service approach. We take care of everything from start to finish. Whether you're a homeowner or a business owner, our team is equipped to handle hot tub removal with efficiency and precision. You can count on us to do 100% of the work, leaving you with a clean and clutter-free space. Our pricing is straightforward and transparent. We offer upfront quotes with no hidden fees, ensuring that you know exactly what to expect. Plus, we provide free estimates over the phone, making it easy for you to budget for your hot tub removal. Our work speaks for itself. We've had the privilege of serving numerous apartment complexes in the Oklahoma City area, including Edmond and OKC. Our dedication to customer satisfaction and professionalism has earned us a reputation as the go-to hot tub removal service in the region. Don't let an old hot tub clutter up your space any longer. Contact Junk Platoon today and let us take care of the heavy lifting for you. With our professional hot tub removal service, reclaiming your space has never been easier. Let's make it happen, Oklahoma City.